Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about implicit differentiation. So now I will show you how to answer. So we need to put first derivative for the both sides. Next, first derivative of x squared, we have 2x. First derivative of y squared, we have 2y, and first derivative of y. First derivative of this one, we have the power 2 in here, so we put number 2 in here, and we keep the same of this one, and we have the power of 2 minus 1. So we just put number 1 like this, and later that we continue doing first derivative in here. Next, first derivative of x squared, we have 2x. First derivative of y squared, we have 2y, and first derivative of y. First derivative of x, we have number 1. And now we have first derivative of y and first derivative of y. So I will put this one go to the left, and 2x we put on the right. So they should be like this. So we have number 2 and number 4, we have number 8. And this one 2x we put on the right. Minus this one. Next, first derivative of y, we can do about factorization. Next, we divide both sides by this one. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.